We're going up Holy. It's that one over there. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna head through the trees. There's kind of a trail, but it's not well marked out, so we'll figure it out as we go. Cross some swamps, and then once we get up to tree line, we're gonna put on the snowshoes and just go straight up. So it should be about 5 hours to the top.
A little nervous. Big mountain. Don't know what to say.
I thought everyone out here was
in the morning, when you walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier, but I don't know before.
Looky here.
Hold it up for us.
Look at this. Oh, okay, good.
Ooh. A little chewed there.
A little chilled in. Snowshoes are way easier to use than people think. Yeah, pretty much it's like, don't suck at what you're doing. It's my advice.
Right now we're about to hike up Holy. There's some good patches of snow here, but should be a pretty good trek. I've never done it before, so I'm kind of excited. Trevor's the expert, so we're all gonna follow him.
Onward and upward.
Hello, moon. I can't shake the simplest feeling. Beyond the ghost, we stand on the opposite.
Yeah, white cheddar, pepperoni.
Hello,
You got 4. The classic, the PB&J. Life is good.
my
Dude, Holy's classic.
I look for the things I don't know.
Holy's like sections of snow. You can't see anything ahead of you until you crest the next ridge, and then you can see your next section. And you lose sight of it as you go up. So it's just that.
Honestly, don't. I should be the last to know.
Freak up there, bro.
Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The ends unknown. To get back the life I used to know.
Good, lost the glove. Oh my goodness, I'm so joyful.
All in this, I stand alone.
Down. Let's take a
Show
picture.
me where the ending goes. Honestly, don't. I should be the last to know.